Hello friends, how are you? So friends, today again I am here to show you a new tutorial on how to create a register form in PHP. So let's begin, and before beginning I will say that if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get the latest video uploaded by me. So let's start. So for that we have to open our notepad, the text editor, and we will create a new folder to our htdocs. So we will go to the cpanel, then XAMPP, then htdoc, and here we will create a new folder named demo123. okay, and after creating here we will save that file to the same location. So again we will browse to that location, that is XAMPP. Yes, we will move there, PC, then we will move to the C drive, then htdocs, XAMPP, then htdocs, and then here we have created demo123. Here we will save that file with the name index and index.php, and then we will save the file. Okay, we have done this much. Now we will start writing our code. So for that we will start HTML, then we will close the HTML tag. In between this HTML tag we will write head tag, and we will also close the head tag. Then in between the head tag we will write the title tag, and in between the title we can give demo123, and then we will also close the title tag. Yes, we have done. Then we will move to the main, that is the body section, and we will also close the body section. So here I will tell you one thing, that for a good programmer we have to always do the coding in such a way that when we will open any tag, then at the same time we have to also close the same tag. So in between the body tag we will create a form, and again creating the form we will also close the form tag. In between the form tag we will create a table tag and also close the table tag. In between the table tag we will first create the first row, and in between the first row we will create a column having a field name, and we will also close the first column. Then we will again start the second column in the first row, and we will give as a input type equals to, okay, we'll just close it and then start. Yes, input type equals to text, name equals to n, and then okay, this much. Okay, now what we will do, we have done this much code, so we have to also test that our code is working or not. So for that we know that PHP runs on server. So here we are having XAMPP as a local server. We will start the Apache MySQL and we will move to the browser. Here we will write localhost / demo123, because this is the folder where we have saved our file. We'll click and we will see here the name and that input field came. So yes, our file is working. So what we will see here, the name and the box is on the left side, so we have to move it to the center. So we will here give as first border equals to 1 and align equals to center, and we will click the control S, so it will save, and again move to that browser. Will see that whether it's come. Yes, it will come in the center, but here it is looking that name and input, so we also have to give a register form. So here we will give h1 tag, and in between the h1 tag we will write register here, and we will also close the h1 tag. Okay, this much done. So here see, it's register here came here. So what we will do, we will here copy the align equals to center, and we will come here and we will paste like this. Again we will refresh it, then we will see that yes, register here came in the center. Okay, now we have created one field, that is name. In the same way we will just copy here and paste it twice, thrice, and we can change the name as what we want. So here password, input type equals to password, and here n will be p. So name, password, age. We will also create one field, that is age, and we can give here age. Okay, this much we have given. Now we have to also give a submit button. So here we can erase this one, and we will here write input type equals to submit, and name equals to sub. Okay, and one field more we have to add, that is value equals to submit. This much. Okay, we'll control S and then we will refresh it. So here for making the submit button in the center area, we have to apply call span equals to 3, and we have to refresh it. Now see here, it will come align equals to center. Okay, now see here, it is center. So we have created a registration form with the field having name, password, age, and also a submit button. So friends, in this tutorial we have created a registration form. So in the coming tutorials we will see how we can submit this form data to our database, that is localhost php myadmin. So friends, if you have liked my videos, so please like the video and also subscribe my channel, so that you can see more tutorials which I make. Thank you.